Hey friends, we are here to do some savings challenges. I'm excited. We do not have a lot of money, but guess what? We're gonna make it work. So I have $22 from my paycheck. Yes, just 22. That was all I was able to budget this month or this paycheck, and that's okay. And then I think I have like 30 some, 40 some here of rollover. So let's put it all together, count it up, and see what we're gonna be working with today. 25, 35, 40, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $59 only. That really bums me out, to be honest, but it's what we have, so that's what we're gonna do. Right off the bat, I think the 20 is gonna go to vacation. Just because that way I don't have to split it up, and you guys know I like to try to save the bulk of the money for vacation. If you hear my daughter screaming in the background, I'm really sorry. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to all the challenges today, you guys. That's very sad. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, sewer. We have to do this one. I did get the bill, and it is due March 31st, and it is $80. So I do need to keep this one going because guess what? February is like more than halfway over already. So we do need to make sure that this one is still going. So let's hope for a low number. 3, perfect. I'll take it. We're gonna put $3 in here and be done with it. Can you guys even see the money? I guess kind of. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And so now we have 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 31. $31. And this challenge is from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. I don't know how much it adds up to. But yeah, what did I say? 31. So we need what? 49 to go. So I think I should be able to save $49 by the end of March. Technically a little bit before that because they will need to send in the payment. So I think we're on track for that. All right, medical. Okay, as much as I want to do this one because I love it, I think I'm going to skip it because chances are I could end the game today, and if I do, I have to save at least $10. So I'm going to skip this one today. Let's see. Pet savings. This is for my dog. And I always have trouble getting it out because it's an actual Christmas card. And this is from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It's a Happy New Year scratch off. Let's do this. $2. Even though I don't have a lot of money, I am going to go again just because this is one that really needs to be bulked up. And 1. Okay, so $3. I am more than happy with that. Only a $40 challenge total. 1, 2, 3. And so we now have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have $20 more to go between all these scratches. So that shouldn't be too bad. Still have not booked her vet visit. What am I even doing? I don't know. It's crazy out here, you guys. Okay. Let's see. Next is school/kids. You know what? I'm going to do this right now because if I don't, I will just continue to forget about it. I'm going to erase school and write kids. I changed the name of the sinking fund to kids because that's more accurate. And so there we go. These are my skeleton dashboards, by the way. These are a digital download in my Etsy shop. They're all different designs. Everyone is different. So if you happen to like them, there you go. And let's see, kids, maybe I'll skip this one too. I don't think they really need anything right now. Consignment sale. Let's do this. Okay, so the consignment sale is April 9th, and that is actually coming pretty fast also. So I might need to start kind of saving a little bit faster. So these little hearts are from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. Let's finish this one today. 3. And then I think I might even go a second time. They're low, decently low numbers. Hopefully I don't get another 7. Let's see, lovebirds. Let's go here, 5. Okay, so we're gonna put $8 in, and again, I'm okay with that just because I do need to kind of bump up this the savings for this a little bit faster. All right, so we're gonna put $8 in. This is going back in the envelope. This is gonna go into my completed challenge envelope. Set that off to the side, and let's put in 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then see where we're at. I know we have at least 100. My goal is 300. If I don't get to 300, it's not a huge deal, but that is my goal. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40. Okay, 140, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are almost halfway there. So that's pretty good. 147. I think last time I had 200 or just under 200. So I'm almost where I was last time, and I made it work. Okay. Emergency, let's do a little in here. And this challenge is from Ellie on Earth. It's a $50 challenge. We're just gonna do one. Yes, we are. We got a 6. So 5 and 6 going in. This might be like the shortest savings challenge video ever. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 out of 50. So almost halfway there with this one. I should like do a savings challenge for car maintenance too, but like if I do too many challenges, I won't be able to ever finish any. So I think I have more than enough going on right now. All right, next in this binder is for birthdays. And you guys know birthdays I'm always saving for. My son's birthday is coming up. This challenge is from Save with Tess. And let's see, it's a $50 challenge. Let's go here. A 5. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do the 5. My son, obviously, you know, Ivy's birthday is done now. My son's is coming up, and he said he wants to stay home and just invite people over, but to be honest, I really think we're probably gonna do a bowling party. I'm sort of forcing him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that probably sounds bad, but he literally wants to like have friends over and watch TV. I'm like, bud, you can't play video games or watch TV while you have friends over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9 so far in this. Like we have nothing to do with the kids when they do come over. And I could set up something, like, I don't even know, some kind of craft or something, but honestly, I just don't really even feel like it. And it's kind of getting close. His birthday's in March. So we need to figure something out, and I decided bowling because Ivy has never bowled. I think she will really like it. Rowan has been bowling once or twice. He enjoyed it, and I think it's gonna be fun. Plus, then I don't have to do any cleanup. I don't have to make any food or anything. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Okay, with the remaining money, we're gonna do vacation last. We're gonna play dots and dice, and then we're gonna come back to vacation. So let's pull this out. Let's see how much we have left. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. So this is my dots and dice game. This is available in my Etsy shop, and I need my color dot die. It does come with the color dot die. Is it in here? No, it is not. Oh, it's over here. Okay, let's put that off to the side. So you roll this, and this is going to tell you what color card to scratch. So we got yellow, so we're going to scratch the yellow card, and you can scratch any scratch off here on your color. And what did I say we have? $14. So let's hope it's under 14, because I believe some of these numbers can be kind of big. Oh, let's see. Okay, so this is one of the like little silly things I did with this game. It just says save, save, save. So we actually kind of got a free roll on that one. So let's roll again. And we got blue this time. If you've played this game, you know all about those silly little phrases. Let's finish off this corner. Okay, we got another swirly. And so if you get the swirl, your instructions say save an amount of your choosing. Should I just save all of it and then be done? No, I think I'm gonna do 5 because I want to go again. So let's roll again. Purple. And purple is completely unscratched. Let's go in the middle. Oh, no. No. So we got ×3. Okay. So when you get a multiplier, it says multiply it by your number. Do you see my number? That is $15. I wish we got that first because then I would have only owed $1. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we owe $6. So that's not too bad. Let's put in the money. I have to find an IOU somewhere. Let's see. Let's go with this little guy. And what did I say it was? $6? It's not terrible. All right. Let's put this back in here. Count up the money. So far in Dots and Dice, we have 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 73. I feel like it's going to add up to a lot, you guys. Everybody is going to save a different amount with this game. And I don't think like we're nowhere near even halfway done with that. And we already have $73. So I feel like that's going to be a few hundred once it's finished. All right, pop that in there. Last but not least, let's go back to vacay. Let me vacuum up some of these shavings. All right, and for vacation, we are working on the Save 2024 and 2024 book. $20. I feel like I want to just do the puzzle piece page again. Even though I want to scratch, I want to finish this puzzle piece page. So let's see how close I can get to finishing. Let's see, we have 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I think I could color all the way down to here. Let me just add it up one more time. 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna finish out this little corner and then I will do the other 2 rows. And because I have nothing to chat about, I don't think, while I do this, I'm going to skip you past this and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that is all colored. This is the ugliest coloring job that you have ever seen in your life, but it's colorful. So that is going to finish this up. Let me wave this off a little bit to dry it. Last night I sold the treadmill. I know you guys, I told you guys I was trying to sell that. I did sell it for $300. So I have $300 sitting up in my drawer where I throw the money that I make when I sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. So we have another $300 to stuff into this challenge at some point. I'm going to try to let it build up a little bit again, or wait until I just don't have any other videos to film like I did last time. But that is going to be really, really nice and really fun to stuff in here. We're almost done with this puzzle piece page. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's put in the money. We'll count it up. It is so fat and it is amazing. And I know there's an odd 50 in here, so let me throw that. All right, I can't even condense this, you guys, because it's like 99.9% real money. I mean, I could get big bills out of the bank, but I'm not going to do that. So we just have to spend an hour here counting this. So we have 1, 2, 50, 300, and yeah, let's use the calculator because you guys know me. 300. Okay, plus 50. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51. That was 51, right? Because again, I already forgot. Okay, 1201. As it creeps up, I just get more and more and more excited. It makes me so happy. Yes, 1201 out of the 2024, but it's actually more because I have been doing the bonuses. I think when Tracy did it, the bonuses were a good extra $100 or more, so it's probably more like 2124. So yay, 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 yay. Makes me so super happy. Again, I am trying to finish this entire thing before we leave. We leave April 20th, so I'm trying to finish this. This binder now officially absolutely does not close, and I love it. So we're just inching closer and closer, and we're gonna see how far we can get in this book before we leave. Yay! All right, friends. Oh, did I say this is from Carmen over at The Humble Budgeter? I don't remember if I told you that or not. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, even though it was short in terms of a savings challenge video. I am so thankful for you sticking around with me. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video.